Binary options is a form of options trading based on a single question. Did a stock, index, commodity, or Forex pair end up over the current price or not by a specific time frame, which we call our expiration? Here's how it works. Say you wanted to start trading Forex binary options, and you're looking at, well, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. You've been taking a look at the price, and though it's sitting around the 109.191 area, or 191 for short, your analysis is telling you that within the next minute or so, the price is likely to shoot up. Now, usually to exchange the value of a currency, you'd have to travel to the country of whatever currency you're looking for and physically exchange your dollar for theirs. In this example, we're buying more of the US dollar in exchange of the Japanese yen. But here's the cool part about living in a world where technology is literally taking over everything that we do. Now we can exchange our currency rates from anywhere in which we have some access to the internet. With binary options, there are only two possible outcomes. Either the price of your traded asset, in this example, the USD versus the JPY, finishes above a specific entry price at a specific date and time, or it doesn't. So with that being said, we enter a $25 position at 109.191. with the idea that within the next 60 seconds, the contract price would be above our initial entry point. It does not matter how much above the entry price the market has reached at expiration. As long as it's higher than our buying position, we win. So let's talk about payouts. In this example, our broker is paying out 70% profit margin for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, making our $25 contract worth $17.50. Now keep in mind, the 70% profit payout is made up of a few variables: how much the prices fluctuate, volatility in the markets, and just general market sentiment. So let's fast forward to the end of our 60 seconds. If our buy analysis came true and the price is above where we thought it would be, then guess what? We just finished in the money. There are many benefits to trading binary options. In my opinion, it's just a lot simpler to learn than most other styles of trading. If you guys are interested in getting more mentorship or more help with your trading, or learning just a little bit more about binary options, make sure you add me on Instagram at RockStarrFX, shoot me a message, and let's get to chatting. Until next time, guys, it's your boy RockStarr. I'm out. Peace.